Corey Jernigan, Internet Manager here at Country Chevrolet in Benton, Kentucky. Today we're going to go look around a 2019 Nissan Maxima. Let's take a look. This is in a pearl white. Has remote start. Dual sunroof, show you that later. Plenty of trunk space. This trunk is good size. "19-inch Nissan wheels. It does have a V6. It is fast. Has 39,513 miles, so it's still under factory warranty. It does have navigation. It has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Heated seats. This is for your radio. It does have dual climate control. It does have safety features. Blind spot alert. Lane assist. This is at Country Chevrolet in Benton, Kentucky. So if you're interested, you can give me a call, 270-703-8633. Again, that is 270-703-8633. You can also see it on our YouTube channel where this video will be. We have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. It'll all be linked up here on one of the corners of the video. Have a good day.